So, my friends, let's talk. Can you picture the situation here? Understand what's going on? We know there's a string. There's a toy at the end of it. It's moving in a horizontal circle with a path of radius r. Toy completes a revolution in time t. What is the magnitude of the acceleration of the toy? Let's talk it out, shall we? Is that okay? How do we do it? Go, Chris. We do. Is everybody okay with that? Sweet. Keep going. Okay. And what kind of T is that? Big T, which represents period. Yeah. I just want to make sure I was hearing the word period because that's an important thing to throw in there. How are we doing so far? Everybody happy so far? Okay. You want to keep going? Okay. Is that okay with everybody? Yeah, go. Okay. Squared. Yep. Okay. Okay. Because over R. So we're going to throw this. Oops. Hello. This thing. Okay. So you get A sub C is equal to 4 pi squared R squared over T squared over R. Okay. I don't see that up there. Okay. Okay. 4 pi squared R over T squared. Yeah. How are we doing? Okay. All right. All right. So there we go. And the answer is G, or maybe it's B. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. So this is related to stuff we've been doing, yes? Yeah. Okay. This is the kind of thing that you would see on an AP exam, right? This is from College Board. They wrote this. I just stole it. Okay. Let me tell you the plan for the day today. So we are actually going to go back to the calendar for this unit. So we are here, right? We did our UCM lab analysis yesterday. We're supposed to do inertial and gravitational mass today, and then a little bit of weightlessness tomorrow. Thursday we're to do the assessment, and then Friday is the lab. Okay, so we're going to kind of work backwards because I need some feedback from you. There was an interest in switching Thursday and Friday and doing the assessment on Friday. I don't feel strongly one way or another. The assessment will be, I don't know, like 10 multiple choice questions and a free response, something like that. Okay, so we could totally fit that in a Thursday or a Friday. Do you guys all have an opinion one way or the other? I'm going to get feedback from the other class as well, but I just wanted to know how we feel. What's that? Friday? Okay. Raise your hand if Friday works for you to do the assessment. Okay, that seems like a lot of people's hands, but we can be flexible if we need to. Is that fair? Is that okay, Maddie? We can be flexible if we need to? Yeah, okay, cool. So unless I hear overwhelming reasons not to, we will plan on doing the assessment on Friday, the lab on Thursday. The lab is really great. You'll love it. So that'll work out. Wednesday, we're going to do that. I looked over your lab analysis from yesterday, and I did not grade it because I felt like maybe you needed a little bit more work. Fair statement? So here is my deal for you. Okay? It's a two-pronged deal. Inertial versus gravitational mass is just some fact information. Anticipating that maybe you would agree with that, I recorded a little lesson, it's like 10 minutes long, about inertial and gravitational mass, and there's a link right here, so you can access that, and you need to do that before this day, before Friday, because there might be a question or something like that on that test over inertial and gravitational mass. 10 minutes of your life, fair enough? You got that. If you have questions, bring them in and we'll talk about them. I am going to pair you up to work on the lab analysis today. Okay, so you got a little bit of conversation. Also knowing, and this is the key, friends, I need you to be aware of this, Then I mentioned that the test that now probably is on Friday will have a free response question. And I'm not saying that it's going to be the same, because it won't be, because I just wrote this thing and the College Board writes their things. But I want to make sure that this experience today is a learning one, so that you're ready to move forward, so that on Friday you can find good success with this. Does that make sense? Okay. I will be grading what you turn into me today, but I'm going to grade it 1 per group. Does that make sense to everybody? Does that sound like a fair deal? Yeah? Talk to me. Yeah? Okay. Fantastic. Okay. Let me make sure there wasn't anything I needed to say based on this. I don't think so. All right. So let's get our groups set.